Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about one most important interview question, and not only important, it's a frequently asking question. What is that? How to find sum of all products price based on their product type using Stream API and without using Stream API. It's a most trending one, friends. Let me explain the program. See, the thing is, you have group of products. You have list of products. Each and every product is having these are the things like each and every product is having ID and description and type and price as well, friends. So what you have to do, you have to find out based on product type. You have to find out all product price, friends. What is the meaning? Let me take here. See here, these are the products. I have taken four products. So P1 is a, which one is a computer? It's a Lenovo computer, friends. The product type is computers. Here also P2 is also is a computers. So P3 is a mobile phone. So P4 is mobile, friends. So description is what is that? It's a computer, but it is which computer? Lenovo. Okay, and it is also computer. Which one, friends? It is a Dell. So is a mobile. Which type, friends? Samsung. And what about this also mobile, friends? What is the type here? So I have taken OnePlus. Is a OnePlus. So each and every mobile is having some price. So you have to find out computers price, all computers price, and all mobiles price, friends. So you have to return one map here. You have to return so like you have written a map, friends. What is the map here? Same product type here and the price as well. So product price is what is product type is means what? Computer or mobile. What is the price means? What? All computers price. You have to calculate it. I hope you understood, friends. Nothing, friends. I have taken one product class. In that product class, I have taken all the variables here: product ID, description, type, price, and I generated what is that setters and getters. In test class, what I did here, I created four objects for each and every product. So I set the data here. How? See, P1 101, ID is 101, description is a Lenovo, type is a computer, and the price is 10,000. What about the second product, friend? The ID is 102. It's a description is a Dell computer. It is a computers and cost is 15,000. What about the third product, friends? It is ID is 103, Samsung. It is a mobile and 5,000. What about last product, friend? So it is a one not I mean one I mean 1004, and it is a one plus and a mobiles and a 7,000, friends. So what I am doing is just I have taken one array list. So the list accept only it will accept only product, and I added all the products into this list, friends. See here what I am doing is with Stream API how I am getting how I am returning the map. So the thing is prod list dot stream dot. See here collect I am using reference. Okay, inside the collect what I am doing is just I am writing one collectors object collectors dot. So first what I am doing I am grouping on what basis based on the product type. So just I am taking the second one only. So here you have to take classifier and downstream. So you have to take two argument method, friends. So what is the classifier here? You have to classify right first. So that's why I am taking say product on what basis you are classifying product type here. I'm checking whether it is a computer or mobile. If it is a computer, then I'll group all computers into one thing. So if it is a mobile, I'll take all the mobiles here. What is the downstream, friends? So you have to find out the sum, right? That's why I'm taking again collectors. I am taking inside. So collectors dot what you want to find out the sum, right? If you click on sum, you will get some long, some integer, some double, right? So my price data type is a integer. That's why I'm taking not summarizing. You have to take summing integer. What is the mapper? You have to iterate this one only, friends. What is that? Say product get price. Where is that price only, friends? That's it, friends. So automatically it will return the map only. If you think it is too length, what we can do, nothing friends, and this here, and after that group also you can take here, easily you can understand. Okay, group I is having two arguments. This is on what basis it is grouping, product type wise it is grouping, and what we are doing here, each and every we are adding the price friends, that's it. What it will return, it will return one map. What is that? See here, just I am taking one map here. What is the key? String. What is the product type is the key, so product type is a string here friends. So just it will return one integer value, price only, right? So that's what. So result map I am taking the value, I mean this is a result map friends, that's it. Let me display the result map. System dot out dot println say result map. Let me show you what would be the output here. Very good. All mobiles cost is 12,000. Mobiles means it is Samsung, OnePlus, all the things, friends. Computers, all computers cost is 25,000. Dell, Lenovo, like that only, friends. Okay. I hope you understood. If not, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I'll try to explain once again. And now this is with using Steam API. Without using, I want. So a little bit lengthy friends, it's not difficult, but what I am doing is simple thing. I am taking, just I am taking one iterator friends. Iterator say itr is equal to say prod list dot iterator. Now I got the iterator object. Now I am taking one map friends. What is that? Say simple thing friends, map string comma integer I am taking. Why I am taking string and integer? String is a product type, integer is the that cost friends, that price only. So I am taking say map equal to new. I am taking one hash map. Okay, hash map friends. Okay, that's it. Once if it is done, then what I am doing is I am iterating entire prod list. For that one I am taking while loop here. So iterator dot has next. What is the use of has next? If the next card is available, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Now what I am doing, iterator dot next method friends. What it will give you? Next object it will give you, but I want to convert into which type? Product. I added the product phrase, so I am iterating say product. So just I am taking into say product p equal to here friends. Now what I am doing here, see I am taking one if condition friends. What I am checking, if already I have taken one empty map, right? In this map, each and every time I am checking. What I am checking here, say map dot contains key. What is the key I am checking here friends? Key is a string, right? Say p dot get product type I am checking friends. Okay, if the product type, I mean if it is available in the map, then what I will do here, and else condition. So first time if it is available, and else means if it is not available. If it is not available first time, so no problem, just I am taking p dot put off. What I need to put friends, 1 minute, not map p dot put, map dot put off say p dot, you have to insert product type as a key. What is the value here? P dot get price friends, that's it. It's the first time. Second time you are iterating, already you inserted that one product, I mean the same product type into this map, then what will be happen? If block, I mean if condition will be executed. Now what I am doing is map dot put off say p dot get the product type friends. In this case what I need to do, already the value is available, right? We have to get that value first. So how to get it friends? Very simple. So map dot get, what is the key friends here? The key is p dot get product type. So you will get the, I mean old value, I mean existing value, right? Already the map contains some value, that value I'll get it. Once if you get the value, what I am doing here, I'm adding it to already p dot get product price friends. I That's it friends. So you have to understand this one only. Nothing friends, just I am checking is, I mean this the map is empty one. First time I am checking whether this map is having contains this product type or not. First time you are inserting or second time? If it is first time, then I'm inserting that product type and the product price. If you are inserting second time, third time, fourth time, what will be happen? Already I inserted the product, right? That value I am taking and I am adding into this value, I mean current product price. Okay, like that I am doing, friends. Okay, if you are not understanding, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to explain in a better manner. Okay, now what I am doing, simple, that I think, I hope it is done. Let me display the map, friends. What is the map? This is, let me show you here. Yeah, mobiles, 12,000, computers 25,000. If you see here, this much code we need to write it. Suppose if you are not using Steam API, so this much code you have to write it, friends. So here is a somewhat little bit complex here. But if you use Steam API, in a single line you can write it. So that is the advantage of Java 8 feature like Steam API, friends. So still, if you are having any questions, let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to make a separate video on that, friends. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video.